So today we're diving into energy audits and conservation, why they matter, how they work, and what businesses gain from them.
Sounds great. Energy is such a big part of operational costs, but I think a lot of companies still overlook how much they waste daily.
Exactly. An energy audit basically identifies where that waste is happening. It's like a health check for your energy usage.
Right. And Elion Energy's approach is pretty comprehensive. They don't just point out the leaks, they offer tailored solutions too.
I liked how they categorize their audits, electrical, thermal, even safety-focused ones. It's not one size fits all.
Yeah, and what stood out to me is their focus on ROI. They're not just saying, change this, but showing how it impacts the bottom line.
Which is critical. Businesses care about savings, and these audits highlight exactly how much you can actually save.
I read they've worked across industries, textiles, pharmaceuticals, even commercial buildings. That kind of range adds credibility.
Absolutely. It shows they're not just repeating a formula, they adapt based on sector-specific needs and challenges.
You know what's surprising? Many companies don't even realize how outdated some of their systems are until these audits are done.
Totally. Like motors running inefficiently, HVAC systems that cycle too much. It all adds up.
And sometimes the fixes are simple. Adjusting load distribution or just insulating pipes better can make a huge difference.
Right? We often think energy saving means massive investment, but sometimes it's just about smarter usage.
That's where Elion's strength lies. Their team includes certified energy auditors who understand both tech and finance sides.
It bridges that gap because technical solutions without financial feasibility don't go far.
Exactly. And their reporting seems very action-oriented. Clear graphs, recommendations, projected savings.
I noticed that too. No jargon-heavy PDFs. It's made for decision makers who need clarity, not complexity.
And then there's their focus on sustainability. It's not just cost-cutting. It aligns with broader environmental goals.
That's such a relevant point now. With ESG metrics becoming standard, energy conservation isn't optional anymore.
No doubt. And having a detailed audit shows stakeholders you're serious about accountability.
Plus, with rising energy prices, the payback period on efficiency improvements is getting shorter.
True. Even a small percentage drop in consumption can lead to significant annual savings.
Did you see that case where they helped a pharmaceutical unit save over 15% on energy bills?
Yes, and all through system optimization and low-cost retrofits. Nothing super high-tech.
That kind of result speaks volumes. It's not hypothetical, it's proven.
And think about the long-term effects. Reduced emissions, better equipment lifespan, improved workplace comfort.
Those hidden benefits often don't show up on the first page, but they matter just as much.
Agreed. Comfort leads to productivity, lower maintenance means less downtime. It's a ripple effect.
I also found it interesting that Elion offers post-audit support. That continuity matters?
Definitely. You don't want a consultant who vanishes after the report. Implementation support is crucial.
So, bottom line, energy audits aren't just about doing the right thing. They're a smart business move.
And with firms like Elion, it's no longer a complicated process. It's guided, measurable, and actionable.
Whether you're running a factory or managing a hotel, there's a value in knowing exactly where your energy is going.
And more importantly, where it's being wasted.
So, for anyone listening who's managing a facility, when was the last time you checked your energy performance?
If the answer is never or a while ago, you're probably bleeding cash without realizing it.
And the sooner you audit, the sooner you save. It's that simple.
Plus, with India pushing for energy efficiency at a national level, it's a timely move.
Yeah, policies are aligning to support this shift. Incentives, regulations, it's all pointing toward conservation.
Companies that adapt early will have a competitive edge, financially and reputationally.
So whether it's lighting, machinery, HVAC, or your overall strategy, start with an audit.
You can't improve what you don't measure. That's rule number one.